Everybody, welcome to the channel Taking the Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and some tutorials. And today, I want to show you how you can make some great Bison burgers. That's right, game day coming up, guys, and let's just change the routine. So we're going to have a pound of Bison burgers and some honey smoked bacon. And what I like to do is I like to stuff my burgers, so I have a hamburger press. If you're interested in making a perfect hamburger patty and have the ability to stuff it, in this case with jalapeno sliced cheese, I'm going to link you to a hamburger press in the description of this video. But this make absolutely perfect hamburgers. As you can tell, one layer down, put whatever stuff you want to in the middle, go ahead and put another layer of ground meat on the top of it, and then you simply just press it down, and then you're going to get the perfect burgers, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I love using this hamburger press. It absolutely save time, and voila, look, perfect burger each and every time. No matter if you're putting it on the grill or you're doing it on the griddle like I'm going to do today, it's going to give you perfect results each and every time. So once again, I'm going to link that in the description of the video. Alright, so first thing first, I like to cook my bacon. Go ahead and put the bacon right there on the griddle, guys. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Then I want to saute some onions. I mean, basically, guys, I like to do all of my prep work. So I got my tomatoes chopped up, I got my pickles chopped up, that bacon is good to go. I got me some nice burger buns. Now I want to just take some olive oil and just put it on top of there, and I'm gonna put that on the griddle also, just to get a lightly toast on there. I love that smooth, rich, buttery taste when your buns are toasted just right with just a hint of olive oil on there. So we'll go ahead and let that brown, then we're going to take that off, and then we're going to prepare for our patties. Oh, I can't forget, guys, this is what I'm going to put on there. Ooh, the cucumber creamy sauce. And this is the seasoning that I use to season my burgers. You can season your burgers any way you like to, but that's what I use to season my burger. I do about a teaspoon of everything. Alright, so now let's just put a little bit olive oil on our griddle, because we're about to put our Bison burgers on there. Now, I usually cook my Bison burgers anywhere depending on the size of it. These are some pretty big burgers. Let me get the words out. Pretty big burgers. So I cook them anywhere from 8 to probably 10 minutes, depending again on the temperature and everything. One of the things that I do is I watch the middle. Now you have to be careful with Bison burgers because they can dry out. Look, guys, when Bison is pink in the middle, it's done. I'm gonna say it again, when it's pink in the middle, Bison meat is done. And also, guys, I'm double duty today. I'm cooking some baked turkey wings in the air fryer and some yellow rice for the kids, so I got 2 meals going at the same time. You can see the cheese leaking out from the middle, and I'm gonna go ahead and put some jalapeno sliced cheese on the top, and I'm gonna cover it up with aluminum foil. What that's gonna do, that's gonna allow the heat to stay right over the burgers and allow that cheese to melt a little faster. That way I'm not overcooking my burgers trying to get that cheese to melt. Basically, guys, the Bison burger is done. Go ahead and plate it, and voila, there you have it. Look how beautiful that hickory smoked bacon. And when we cut it, look at that, the cheese in the middle, guys, all of the ingredients. Absolutely easy to make meal, a wonderful meal. It's your boy Taking the Bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Hey guys, switch it up sometimes. I'm gonna try to get you some more cooking videos. If you want to see more cooking videos, leave a comment below. If we get to 100 likes, then I do more cooking videos. Also, check out my video with my air fried rabbit. I'm gonna link that in the description below also. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.